Yeah, this is your boy Billy Boston. I just stepped out my house because I was about to do some grocery shopping, and well, fuck, man, look at this. This is some crazy shit. Looks like a big storm's coming. Whoa, yo, real talk. This my camera phone's not even doing this justice, but look at this shit, bruh. This is wild. Mother Nature, man. It's a beautiful thing. Yeah, this looks like Zeus is coming. But man, this is crazy, bruh. Wow. Mother Nature, man, so beautiful. So beautiful. Billy Boston out.